Physio-Control LIFEPAK CR Plus replacement kit for CHARGE-PAK. 2 sets of electrodes. LIFEPAK CR Plus battery charger and pads. The battery charger and QUIK-PAK pacing, defibrillation, ECG electrodes. Includes 2 sets of electrodes and 1 battery charger, replacement instructions, and discharger for safe disposal of used CHARGE-PAK. Let us help you today. Call Happy Medical Supplies at 949-420-9322 or go to www.happymedicalsupplies.com. You can also see the complete information on the description box.